This is a sensitive subject, and some of you may have had personal experience with it. The subject is suicide, and if anyone here is uncomfortable having this information shared, you may step out into the hall while I speak briefly with the rest of the students. Please understand that this is an informational meeting only, and we are not going to spend time going into detail at this time about suicide or mental health. I'm going to share a resource with you and want to be sure that you and your classmates have this information at your fingertips, for yourself, for a friend, for a family member. If you have more concerns about suicide that you'd like to discuss, counselors and administrators would be happy to talk to you privately. At this time, I'd like you to take out your phones. Below you see a 800 number to call if you or someone you know is thinking of or talking about suicide. Please enter this number into your contacts now. You can also text HELP to 741-741 to access the same services. This is a trusted organization that you will now have access to at any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you are concerned about a friend or are having your own feelings of suicide or self-harm, you can call this number for confidential support and guidance. I also want you to know that there are people who care about you here at school, even if sometimes you don't think there are, and they also have resources that you can access to get help. Please do not hesitate to speak to your school counselor or to a teacher or an adult that you trust if you are having feelings of hurting yourself or of suicide. And if you don't believe that there is anyone you can talk to, please call this number. If you don't have a cell phone or don't have one with you today, we will be leaving this number up all week and can also provide you with a paper copy if you'd like one.